the table saw. And in order to do a proper cut, you need the proper safety equipment. First you need your shop jacket. Put them on. You button them up. Then you need your eye safety goggles. Okay.
Go.
Some of the stuff that you should always have is a good tape measure. Probably a, well, not too big one, but good enough so you can see good. Because you can't always trust the ones on here, they're not always that accurate. A good push stick so you don't risk losing your hand, finger. Probably a good pair of goggles, not any cheap kind, where something that will protect your eyes really good, and a good kind of vest, not one that's big and that'll get caught in the saw. Just good enough to keep you away from the wood shavings, and that's about all you should have. Basic safety stuff.
When you're cutting wood, you always want to have the cement as close as you can, nice and tight when you're cutting the wood. So right there, tighten it up, won't move, and then you can slide your wood through without having this to move and wrecking your cut. The red button here is to stop the machine, and this green button that's half gone is to start up. And this crank gives you the angle of the saw if you want to have a angled cut. And then this one here lowers and raises the blade so you can cut properly. Another safety precaution is you should never wear loose clothing that you can get into the saw when you're pushing the wood through. And if you have long hair, please tie it up, otherwise if your hair is going to get stuck in there and you're going to have a hell of a time. Whenever you're cutting with the table saw, you should always have someone to help you, just in case the wood kicks back at you. And we'll do it demonstrating right now. You'll need a push stick so you don't cut your fingers off, which is one of the worst things you can do. And you cut the saw off. After you're done cutting and you're finished with all your cutting, you should always clean up. Take all the thing, throw it off, clean your workstation up, and then sweep her up. Throw it in the garbage, and you're done.